Hello, hello, hello. Sorry for the noise. I have my nephew, my great nephew. I just got in the new iPad Pro 2020. I've been reading a lot of reviews on it of how good it is versus the MacBook Pros. So with all the research and all the reviews that I've done, this is by far one of the best. I never had a laptop. Just wanted to take the risk of doing an iPad. Are the tomatoes still good? Sorry, I'm getting texts from my niece. They're good. So this is the other latest regular iPad. It's great, I think, more for kids and just for basic. You're a basic bitch. I want to start editing videos and pictures and doing YouTube. That's why I really wanted this one. Let me text her back. World of Apple is everything connects. Yeah, for the past few weeks, every other week, 7 days a week, 24/7, I have been a mother. Ooh, that's gonna be another video. Mom life ain't no joke. Kudos to all you men and women out there that take care of your children. Generation 3. iPencil, and I got it all from Best Buy. Apple, and it has like this groove, like a pencil groove. It's just on one side. Flattened groove. It's pretty awesome, actually. Awesome, actually. I like it. It's like a real pencil. The regular first pencil, and it was my first time. Oh, I wasn't used to it and I almost gave up, but I was like, no, challenge accepted, keep going, don't give up. I felt almost like if I was cheating on a regular pencil and paper because I'm so used to that. I'm still open to definitely doing digital art. It's different.
Anyway.
So we're gonna test that out. Also gonna get a what do you call that thing? The glass protector, a textured one, like if it was paper. I also got an extra cord and cube for my phone because, you know, I always lose them. Magic keyboard. It's super thin. Here we go. Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
Do I know you? Where are you from?
This is my nephew, my great nephew, slash son.
Wait. Hi, I'm Dennis the Menace. Stop in yourself.
Ew. We'll be right back. iPad magic keyboard. Hopefully it does some motherfucking magic. Oh, it's coming back. The plague.
Maybe if I just stand still and go away.
I'll be back. Pull it out. Love the packaging. Very smooth.
Who's back?
It kind of smells. Oh my god, it smells like glue. You know the one from elementary school? Oh. Be right back. Mom life never ends.
Oh my god, breath.
All right, people, we're gonna have to do this really fast. So we have the little pocket, the little opening for the camera, the outlining indent of the apple there. Ooh, it just like clicked. Ooh. Oh, fancy. Forward and back. Me going out of my mind because my child.
You big fat bitch!
1, 2, 3 little metal pieces. I think that's like to connect it. Yeah, it's super awesome. It has a cursor as well. Oh, thank you very much. The port to plug it, to charge it. Oh, yeah, I think it's beautiful. Hold it. And it's already getting dirty. Great. Don't have a baby around. I have oil of a donut. Just multitask. Okay. Back to the review. The iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th generation. It's 512 gigabytes. I wanted the 1 TB or TB, whatever, or 1T. Fuck it, we'll just get this one. All right, so still really great reviews. So, and the color I think is space gray. Don't open that, sir.
Ooh, that is nice. Look how thin that is. Oh, yes. Honey, honey, honey.
Ooh, look at the dual cameras. Instructions, charger.
It's so impressive on how they put the cord together with this cute little dinglehopper.
Tingle hopper.
Under the sea. Sir, it's not the Rose Show. Power on, power off, top button, Apple Pencil. Turn you into a frog. Doesn't work. Disappear. Maybe it's broken. That looks good. I like that. Now let's do the final.
Turn on the iPod.
Press the button. Oh. Hola, ¿cómo está? Bonjour.
Swipe up to open. English. United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up.
I am recording, so hopefully we can still do this. Oh, wait, no, there we go. It's connecting from my older iPad. Continue. Hold your new iPad up to the camera position. We gotta do this. Now they're connecting. Enter your passcode of your other iPad.
Yes!
Be right back. All right, continue. Are you poop? Oh God. All right, you guys, we're cutting this short. I gotta go change a diaper. That poop was not cute. It's disgusting, it's disgusting. I'm recording, shut your mouth. Oh, get started. The other side, right? Oh, God. Ah! Ah! Position your face with the frame. Face ID scan complete.
Create a passcode.
Your iPad. Restore your... No! Okay, come on, Cletus.
Who the fuck is Cletus?
Restore from iCloud. Backup, restore from Mac or PC. Okay, let's start from Apple. Apple ID. Come on, let me in. That's it? Oh, that's why. Now it's asking me for a code. Enter. Now we wait. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, connected everything after I had to feed the baby, change a diaper, and entertain, and play with toys. Okay. Oh, gotta go. Okay, so we are back. Ooh, ooh. I'm just fucking fucking it all up. I manually put everything in. Everything came out to what it needed to be with all my pictures and all my apps. New 2020. Let's see what we got here. We got some Spotify playlists that I made. Mariah saved my life. We got here.
I can be here all day. I love talking about fashion.
So pretty.
As you know, I'm very
Procreate. Let's choose screen size. Cool. 98%. Apple Pencil Generation 3.
The second generation Apple Pencil has recently been released alongside the 2018 iPad Pro,
Alright, here we
and
go.
things are a little bit different.
Someone smells like poop.
Alright you guys, so I highly recommend this iPad 2020. Please go out and get it if you're looking to be any type of a YouTuber or video or editing or just surfing the internet. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share with all your friends. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and so does my little great nephew Romeo. Isn't he so freaking cute? I can't even. Alright you guys, you have a good day. Mwah.